To create a routine on a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, you can just simply open settings on your phone. Over here in settings, proceed to modes and routines, and then at the bottom we can switch to routines, and we can use this plus at the top in order to start creating our own routine. Here we can choose the trigger, so we can decide what should happen when we want the routine to start. And as you can see, the list is quite long, so we can add multiple different triggers, and you can decide by yourself which one it should be. For example, I can choose wired headphones, so whenever I connect my wired headphones, then I can decide what should happen. So here we can choose the result, what should happen when I connect my wired headphones, and over here I can, let's say, use one of these suggestions, or I can choose pretty much anything else from this list. We have pretty much all settings and some additional options that you can go through. You can even choose the gallery in order to, I don't know, show an image or something. As you can see, the list is really long, and you can do pretty much anything. Like you can, for example, toggle read notifications allowed option over here. And in this case, I also need to grant the access for the modes and routines to be able to do so, but generally speaking, this is what you can do. And yeah, once you, of course, create the routine, I'm gonna actually choose anything in here. There we go. So I can, for example, automatically start Spotify after connecting my wired headphones. I can tap on save. I can set up the name for the routine, the icon as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.